I'll be guiding you guys on how to turn off your LinkedIn email notifications. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to click on your profile and click settings and privacy. So once you're on this page, you'll have to click on notifications. Here, you're going to see all the notifications you receive. So let's say whenever you're searching for a job or a relevant job appears, it's going to send you a notification. Let's say you don't want any notification for that. So you can just click on this arrow and then you can just close this option. But now if I open this option, you guys can see that there are subcategories. So for example, there are advices. Let's say you don't want any advice from LinkedIn on your career. So you can just click on it. And now let's say I don't want any email. So I'm just gonna close the email option. But it's still gonna send me the notifications in my app. So as you guys can see, my in-app notifications are on. So now that's why it's going to send me notifications in the app, but it won't send me in the email because I've closed it. But I would always prefer you to close everything if you're not looking for any of these advices. So I'm just going to close all of it. So now it's not going to send me in the app or in the email. So now I'm just going to go back, and then you can go through all the other options and decide whether you want to keep the notifications on or off. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.